rush because my stupid Wi-Fi wasn't working. I'm rushing to this office space near my apartment. I really want a latte, so I'm gonna get one. Got a hazelnut latte today. Just got back to my apartment and your girl is hungry, so it's lunchtime. Sorority for my friend. She's on the other side of campus, and then I'm gonna get back to work. Got the shirt, and now I'm on the hunt for a place to sit and work. Hello everyone, this is Gerard, my boyfriend, and we are about to go on a little dinner date. I think we chose Wagamama.
We're going to Wagamama. I don't know. You tell me what kind of food's at Wagamama? I have no idea.
It's like an Asian fusion type thing.
Okay, I'm
He never heard of it. I had heard of it because I've seen it all over the place, but...
That has a funny name.
It is a funny name. But anyway, we're about to do that. Fire meal. How was your meal?
It was fire. These dumplings were A-okay. I give it a 8 out of 10.
I agree.
The noodles were noodly.
Noodles were noodly. It was good.
City.